Yeah. Yeah. Expected, unexpected. How I evolve is reflected in the teachings and experience. Pressures of life continuing. Love to compete, competitive. Business head, business mind, one of a kind. Besieged with opportunities, blessings surrounding me. Anchored in the Lord, my word is my sword. Troubadour, a classy lyrical poet. I show it every time I breathe on them. It's like a cool breeze on them. You niggas is sagacious. I guess that's why I don't remember your name or know your face. Your negative vibe is in my atmosphere. You're clouding my space. So allow me to step above. I'm the crab that made it out while your boy still push and shove in the tub. Your girl Wiz is on the mission. Houston, are we clear for takeoff? Rock it, try to knock it. Should die. The best lessons learned from getting burnt. And certainly you don't think you're excused. I got a new attitude, so you lose. It's about time I start spitting my mind before I lose it. Weapon the choice, I choose it. And I choose rhyming. Too many of my people doing time for choosing otherwise. I'm too wise, and God gave me that name, and from the mouth it came. So I'ma bring the pain or make it rain again and again. How many want it? Y'all niggas don't want to step up on it. I open it up like an air vent, make it evident that I'm heaven sent. Yeah, you got me bent. If you think that you can fuck with a bitch like me on this motherfucking freestyle, yes, I'm free. Free in mind, free in body, free in spirit. Yeah, I gotta feel it, so I'ma go platinum. Nigga, what's going on? I'm napping them. Yeah, dread it up and braid it back. I do it just like that. Got me a 20 sack of that green in the back. I'ma roll it up and smoke it. Nigga, I'ma get on the microphone and choke it like I would if I was in the motherfucking hood back in the day. 614, nigga, we don't play, never that. I don't bump